In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the old round green push button or the old square green push button with the new round silver button. Basic tools that you would need to accomplish this task is standard flat blade screwdriver, slip joint pliers, stubby 1/4 inch nut driver, and the silver button kit part number 7001001. Turn the power switch off, unplug the power cord from the outlet, and allow the unit to cool down. Use a screwdriver, locate and remove the 4 screws located on the side service panel access, and remove all screws. With the service panel removed, locate the 2 white wires from the old green push button located on terminals T1 and T2 and remove both terminals. Next, locate the 4 nuts securing the control board to the panel. 1, 2, 3, 4, and remove them using a 1/4 inch stubby nut driver. With the 4 nuts removed from the control board, carefully pull the control board away from the panel and lay it away from the unit as shown. Next, use your slip joint pliers to loosen the lock nut on the switch. With the old push button removed, install the black O-ring into the wiring of the new switch. If you are replacing an existing round green push button, you may proceed and insert the new silver button through the opening. However, if you are replacing a green squared push button, you must insert 1 stainless steel washer as shown, then insert the assembly. The second washer will fit from the inside to sandwich the assembly in place. Insert the silver button into position. Insert the lock nut through the wiring. Hand tighten it, then use the slip joint pliers to snug it up slightly. With the push button secured in place with the lock nut, proceed and install the control board over the 4 studs and secure with the 4 nuts. With the control board secured in place with the 4 hex nuts, reinstall the 2 white wires onto terminals T1 and T2. It does not matter which wire goes to which terminal. Reinstall the side service panel, secure with the 4 screws, plug the steamer into the outlet, turn the power switch on, and check for proper operation.